Hunter of Darkness is here, and today I'm going to tell you all of the planets and star in Solar Smash introductions. So let's start with the Sun. The Sun is the largest. The Sun is a medium-sized star. It can fit over 1.3 million suns, and you see that particles. These are solar waves. And it's pretty massive. Is the sun you see at broad daylight. Now the next planet is a Mercury. It's the smallest planet in our solar system. It looks something like this, and it doesn't have any natural satellite like Moon. It doesn't have any satellites, and it's the second hardest, and it has a diameter of 4,756 kilometers. And let me introduce to Venus. This is what Venus looks like under its clouds, and this is what Venus looks like no clouds. Without clouds, Venus looks something like this, but with cloud, it looks something like this. But Venus is mostly made of is the hottest planet. It's hot because when heat light travels in when heat travels in Venus, it cannot escape, and it has its atmosphere mostly carbon dioxide, so Venus can reach the maximum temperature 840 degrees Celsius. This is only you have to know about Venus. And I forgot to tell you about the diameter. It has almost same like Earth with 12,218 kilometers. Now we go to the Earth. Earth is a planet where you live. It contains water, and it's the only place where a living organism can inhabit it. Its surface is mostly made of 70% of water, and it has a natural satellite called the Moon, which you can probably see over there behind. It is revolving around Earth, and Earth is the third farthest planet from the Sun. And now we came to Mars. So Mars is a red planet. Before it used to contain oceans, but now it cannot. And Mars is the fourth planet from the Sun, and it has the largest mountain called Olympus Mons, which is almost 3 times bigger than Mount Everest. And it has two natural satellites. One is Phobos and one is Deimos, but you cannot see because they are so small compared to. Now we are going to Jupiter. It's the largest planet. It is mostly made up of gases, and it is very famous for the Great Red Spot, and if you are wondering how many moons does Jupiter have, more than 100. And we can only see 2 in the scale. One is Europa and Ganymede. Ganymede is the largest moon in our solar system, followed by Titan of Saturn. It takes Jupiter around 18 hours to rotate around its axis. This is the only thing you have to know. And Jupiter's diameter is around 143,000 kilometers. Now we go to the Saturn, the second largest planet and the only planet with a visible mostly made up of gas particles and rocks, moons, and it's the second largest with diameter of 120,000 something kilometers, almost big as Jupiter, smaller than Jupiter. So this Saturn had the most moons with more than 125. Now it has the second largest moon with water on their surface, and its name is Titan. And now we go to the gas ice giant Uranus. So the next one of Uranus. This planet is tilted. I need to cough a bit. And it's tilted, and it is like 13 times bigger than Earth, and it's an ice giant. Its temperature can go up to negative 200 degrees Celsius, and it has some beautiful rings, and it has 14 moons, and its diameter is around 53,000. We go to the Neptune, another ice giant. This is wait guys, this is another ice giant, and it can reach a temperature of negative 250 degrees Celsius, which is pretty cold, and it has 14 moons and barely bigger than Uranus. Now that will go to the last. It is also cold to negative 200 degrees Celsius more than, and it has a moon? I'm not clearly sure that one, but its diameter is so small, less than 2,000. Now we go to the Alpha Centauri. This is the what's the name again? This, oh my gosh, oh wow. This is Andros, a lava planet orbiting two stars, and it's mostly made of lava, and is hotter than Venus with temperature of more than 1,000 degrees. And I don't know what is this planet. Seems like copy of Earth. I don't know that. What is that? And this is a gas dwarf, which is almost same size as Jupiter, but a bit bigger, I expect. Then we go to Tau Ceti, which is Hades, with the asteroid around its belt. It has an atmosphere, but it's a red planet, and I don't know what Titan. This is the largest gas giant, and it is 3 times the Jupiter's mass. It is the largest planet in the universe. This is Boreas, an ice giant. It looks like Earth, but it's frozen Earth. To turn up this one, I don't know what is this. And that's what you have to know about solar system and their planets. Bye. See?